One second, 1 second. Give me a second, everybody. Alright, we are here one more time, right? Today it's what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, and never forget, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way, right? You are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. That being said, there is disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, and you have the email for questions and homeworks and Skype for additional webinars, seminars, courses, mini courses, whatever. Sydney, it's midnight. Beijing, 10 p.m. Geneva, 4 p.m. and New York just waking up, right? That being said, everybody, we have advanced news trading strategy. Wow! What is this all about, right? What is this? What is this all about? Well, we need the Fibonacci's. That's the problem. And I don't have it. Didn't build the chart yet. Alright, but I do have, so talking about news announcements, everybody, news announcement, give me a second, news announcement, and this is Forex Factory, give me a second, everybody. We're going to check AUD USD, right? So today, everybody, 3 p.m. my time, we have the federal funds rate. Alright, so this is the USA Central Bank. Alright, they're going to, we don't know what it's going to do, but they're going to maybe increase the interest rate, or maybe they are going to leave it like it is. Alright, a little bit of fundamentals that has nothing to do with the chart and the market, believe me. But if inflation is under control, conversation about politics, then they are not going to increase the interest rate. If inflation is out of the control, then they are going to increase the interest rate, right? And this is going to affect the charts. Alright, so this has been the introduction. Now we are going to go on AUD USD, and we are going to news trade AUD USD, but compared to yesterday's straddle, we are going to use the Fibonacci's, right? So here is how it goes. Give me a second, everybody, just for the chart to load up. Daily, maybe this one. Give me a second. Daily, and if this is the daily, and what about this one? Give me a second, everybody. Daily too, daily maybe. Daily chart. Alright, never forget, a good analyst. Never forget, a good analyst is not necessarily a good trader. A good trader is always also a good analyst. Homework during vacation time. Oh, this is mine. I will be back August 1st. Build your charts, put all the indicators, all the tools that you are going to analyze in the market and trade the market on. Build, form a strategy. Alright. Did you do this, everybody? Out, out, out. Alright. So this is the daily. And I'm not sure if I have the, this is the system talking about, so let's move this down in here, and let's move this down in here. Daily, and this is the daily. Give me a second, everybody. I'm not sure about Not sure about. Alright, anyway, we're going to build a 4-hour chart, alright? So maybe it's this one, 30-minute angle. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Just maybe, oh, there you go. So we do have the 4-hour chart. Just let me check 1, 2, and because I'm going to delete one, it's too many charts. I'm going to delete one, and I'm not sure which one is the A is at 0.186, and this A is 0.186. Well, it's the same, right? So I'm going to delete this one. Bye bye, there you go. And we're here on the 4-hour chart. MHB, how long? How are you? Yes, the 4-hour chart. I'm great, thank you very much. How are you? Long time no see. MHB, long time no see. Yo, yo. Today we are in the MC mood, right? Now, advanced news trading strategy, everybody, is connected to the Fibonacci's, and because we have a down Fibonacci on AUD USD, we are going to do it like this. So up in here, this is the A, and MHB, I have a news to tell you. Can you connect with me on Skype? Send me a message. Just say hello. We need to talk about you. And it's good news. Alright, so A to B. And now this is the market, everybody. This is the 4-hour chart, or the 1-hour chart, or the 2-hour chart. Now, talking about the Fibonacci's, and yesterday we were talking about the news event, right? And we talked about the rules on how to straddle. Remember yesterday, everybody? So what is the advanced Fibonacci strategy? The advanced Fibonacci strategy is trying to tell you that when the news comes, but this news comes at different Fibonacci levels. Alright, so this is consolidation on the 15-minute chart, what you're looking at. Alright, this is consolidation on the 15-minute chart. Alright, the straddle is still going to be the straddle, but let's say that this consolidation. Boss, would you repeat, please? Yes. This Fibonacci could be on the 4-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, or the 1-hour chart. MHB says, alright. So, and here is the straddle, right? You're going to go with buy stop, sell stop. Alright? You're going to enter exactly the same. Buy stop, sell stop. Buy stop, sell stop. Buy stop, sell stop. But you are not going to straddle anymore. You are going to take Fibonacci in consideration. Everybody, make sense? Now, 3 p.m. FOMC, so the central bank is going to determine if they're going to increase the interest rate or not, alright? And we don't know what is going to happen. Even if we would know what they're going to do, we don't know how the market is going to react. Now, let's go one by one. This is advanced. Alright, refresh. Can I move the chart? I can't. I don't know why. Anyways, so let's talk about the first consolidation on the 15-minute chart. If this is my graphical representation of risk, everybody, alright, and if I straddle one per one, let's go slowly. Can I put a buy stop and can I put a sell stop? What do you think? Can I put a buy order to go long, and can I put a sell order to go short? And if I put a buy order to go long, and if I put a sell order to go short, what's the probability of one compared to the other? Ah, I didn't know this. Exactly. It's all about education. Make sense? This is how the straddle that you have no idea about the Fibonacci's, alright, could be market wave too, but the market wave on the monthly and the weekly or the daily, maybe it's too big. So we're using the Fibonacci's on the 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart to understand probabilities. Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, are you here? Hedge fund trader Ala, are you here? MHB, I know it's been some time, what do you think? Can I buy this market? Or what would be the better probability? What do you think? Yes, correct. We are looking now at two separate things. We are looking at the news event, and we are looking at the Fibonacci, which is a tradable pattern which we are going to trade. Alright, I'm going to help you. Alright, I'm going to help you. If the news is going to go up, alright, on the 15-minute chart, if the news is going to drive the market up, are you going to buy the Fibonacci? Are you going to buy the Fibonacci because the news is moving up to the A? And MHB says, no, exactly, no. Those two are not the same. In terms of probabilities, make sense? Those two are not the same. So don't buy up in here. If you see that on the 15-minute chart, still the straddle, you know, that the take profit goes above the A, don't buy. It's not that you cannot, you can, but it's going to be less probability. Can we not connect to news broadcaster to tell us what we happen before the news? Shola, nobody has no idea, right? They don't know. Shola, listen to me. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. If somebody's telling you that he or she knows, he's a scammer. Nobody knows. Alright? And even if they know, if you work in a government, you know, we are side by side, you are side by shoulder with Powell and Janet Yellen in the USA, you cannot predict how the market is going to react. Alright? If you are long enough in the markets, you are going to see that sometimes the market goes in exactly the opposite way of the news. Alright, everybody? If you've been around the block for 1 or 2 decades, you've seen you've seen a lot already how this market works, didn't you? You know, the markets not always go in the direction. Anyways, this is the first one. Now, what about this one? Can you do both? Can you do the buy stop, sell stop? Can you go up on the Fibonacci? Can you go down on the Fibonacci? Yes, right? Why? Because A as a stop loss, A on the Fibonacci is far, far, far away. So you can win going 1 for 1 on the straddle, or also that the extension is far, far, far away. So you can go down too. But even if you are doing the buy stop and the sell stop, what is the Fibonacci telling you? Which one has the greatest chance? Even Yellen cannot control the... Exactly. Nobody can control. Not the forex market. The stock market is a different beast, a different animal. The stock market, it's a manipulative beast time to time, right? But the forex market, $7 trillion, come on. You know, down, exactly, down. All right, everybody. And the last one, so you got the idea. What about this one? What about this one? If the market goes up, is this high probability, low probability? And if the market goes down, is this high probability, low probability? And same thought process. If this is my risk graphically, and if I clone, you know, the take profit, it's below the extension. Can you see it, everybody? Sure, but generally, yes, the market can hit the extension, but once the market hit the extension, especially on the monthly, weekly, and the daily, you know, and sometimes they do overlap with the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, then the market tends to retrace, right? So in terms of risk, what would you do? You know, would you buy and go against the Fibonacci if the news is telling you to do this? Would you short, but then the market can retrace, and it is going to retrace after an extension, a retracement must come? What are you going to do? MHB says I will not enter. Now, everybody, is this clear? Type in the chat, clear or not clear, so we can move forward on the chart. Type in the chat, yes, it's clear, or type in the chat, no, it's not clear. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Clear, alright, so this is theory. And now this is the live chart, and this is the Fibonacci. I'm going to double check, right? I'm going to double check, triple check. All right, so it's going down, A, B, C, D, green to green, A, B, C, D, green to green, A, B, C, D, and finally green to green. And it was not, I'm not sure about, everybody, let me double check. So this is the number, it's at 6499, 6499, 6499, and maybe I'm wrong, 6499, but this one, give me a second, this one is 6496, 6499. Everybody give me a second. See, made a mistake on the Fibonacci, so is this low, right? This low, and did the market hit the D? Almost, right? Get out of the widget. Now, we are here. And sure enough, looks like that AUD USD, it's in consolidation, all right, somewhere around here. Maybe we can do something like this too, maybe somewhere around here too, all right. So how are you going to trade the news on the 15-minute chart? I'm going to just clone, and I'm going to go on the 15-minute chart just to see if it's consolidating already. No, it's not. So it's moving up. All right. So US dollar kind of. Yes, this is AUD USD. Now I don't have the Fibonacci, I believe, but we can check NZD. We can check GBP USD too. Let's see. I'm not sure if I have the Fips and the Give me a second, everybody. And tomorrow you are going to tell me if this theory stands, right? GBP USD, we have support, resistance, pivot points. Alright, so this is the daily, the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, GBP USD. I'm not sure about this one. So it was up and up and up and up. I'm not going to waste the time charting now. Alright, everybody. So GBP is going down. So it's curious, right? AUD is going up, but GBP is going down. Right? So we have no idea about the dollar, and we can go and check the third one, which is NZD USD. Let's see about NZD USD. Yes, euro dollar too. But just to find about the what is called the sentiment, right? Sentiment is the short-term view, the short-term trading, the right now, the today, the tomorrow. And 4 hour chart. Alright, so we have a weak dollar, everybody. On AUD we have a weak dollar, on NZD. And now let's go to euro. Euro is going to be the decision maker. Euro dollar. Give me a second, I'm not seeing it. Euro dollar, there you go. No, it doesn't matter. Use the Fibonacci, makes sense, everybody? You are using the Fibonacci or the short-term trend or the... Me personally is the Fibonacci. Euro dollar, see 4 hour chart what's doing? The 4 hour chart. I don't know what is going to happen. And I don't have the... Oh, we do. Did the market stop us out? Alright. So, now, wow. This is interesting, right? Everybody, this is the 4 hour and the market wave. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, right? Now the market broke the market wave and it's making lower lows, lower highs. And talking about, you have two Fibonacci's, right? You have the contrarian and you have the original one. So if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be the next one. Just give me a second. White, and there you go. Until it breaks is going to be contrarian. Edit levels. Contrarian here, and white goes to white and it hit the extension, right? And down trend line. Right, everybody? So the US dollar is weak so far on the 4 hour charts. Right now, how are you going to news trade? Tell me. MHB, Shola, Clara, Ala, Sink. Who else is there? Ernesto, Julius. How are you going to news trade today? Are you going to buy euro dollar or sell euro dollar? What are you going to do? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, but first I want you to think. You have a brain with 1 or 2 neurons. Joking, of course, but you know, Fibonacci Mastery course we just finished. Who is stronger? The original Fibonacci going up or the contrarian going down? Who is stronger? This understanding is the skill, because or the original one is going to win, and if you short the market you are going to lose, or the contrarian one is going to win, and if you buy the market you are going to lose. This is the understanding of this. It's a skill. You cannot stay out. No Ferrari for you. No Ferrari for you. You cannot stay out. No. Not on the 4-hour chart. If you're on the 15-minute chart and you are staying out, it's a different story. Make sense? Wait for a trend line break to go long or short. The advanced news trading strategy is using the Fibonacci's, right? You cannot stay out. No. Why not? Because if this market falls down and gets to here, I'm going to call you and ask you why did you stay out? If you are not on the 15-minute chart, and if the market goes up, you know, I'm going to ask you why did you stay out? Always long. Fibonacci mastery, who is stronger? It's a probability game, but 7 times out of 10, or the contrarian is going to, in this specific case, or the contrarian is going to break the original one, or the original one is going to push up. Until high bank level reached. What is a MHB? What is a high bank level? What is this one? I never heard about. Maybe it's my English too. I'm not joking. Everybody on the weekly. On the weekly. What did you see? What are you seeing on the weekly? What are you seeing on the weekly? Yes, it's difficult, right? I hit 7 stop loss hit in the last 2 months. Band is a bank level. No. Please don't tell me you are a smart money concept bullshit trader. Please don't tell me this, MHB. I beg you. I'm begging you about. I did a stream about the bullshits. I mean bullshits. I proved them wrong with numbers. I went online and I proved them the bullshit that they're spreading around and talking. I mean bullshit. It's really bullshit. MHB, don't tell me you are smart money concept, please. That there are bank level entries. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I got worried. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm going to direct you in, not in here, you know, I need to be fair to Dukas Copy. Call me on Skype. I'm going to direct you to one of my streams, MHB. I'm going to prove to you, I mean, the bullshit those guys are talking. Not the new ones that they don't know, right? But the teachers and the mentors of, you know, stop loss hunting. I mean, come on, you know. with the retail trader, with the retail traders, with our $200 account, we're providing liquidity. I mean, come on, you know, come on. Toyota is exporting $7 trillion of cars into the USA, and me with my $200 account, I'm providing liquidity. I mean, come on. Oh, you know, Julius. Crazy. I'm not talking about a strat, you know, see everybody how people don't get it. I'm not against smart money concept strategy, even though I believe it's not going to work, of the many fallacies, right? But what people are telling you, you know, oh, this is a bank level entry, you know, and that you are Jean Paulo and Marina from Canada and Juan from Mexico and John Wu from China with the $500. We are providing liquidity. I mean, come on. I mean, you know. Yeah, I'm going to. Everybody, if you're interested in the unfamous, it's not that famous, in the unfamous stream live, just send me a message on Skype and send me an email. I'm going to direct it to the stream. Alright? I went online and I researched how much money are banks, hedge funds, and everybody else transactioning, how big is the forex market, and nothing was mine. I was just looking online and showing to the audience what online, you know, we went to the International Monetary Fund, we went to some hedge funds, those are institutional websites, alright? And there, you know, long story short, the retail traders today, so far, based on the data, represent only 5%. On every transaction, could be 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, daily chart, whatever. It's 5%. Make sense? So logically, if you understand how the financial markets work, for every buyer must be a seller. It's a must. It cannot work other ways. You know, for you to buy a share, somebody must sell you a share. Alright, it's that simple. For you to buy euro dollar, somebody must sell euro dollar. It's that simple. It's that simple. Make sense? Now, if there is a stop loss or take profit, it's another story. But in order for you to buy, the liquidity provider is going to link your buying order to somebody who is selling. Make sense? So when you win on a trade and if you close the trade in profit, somebody else lost. And if you say no, it doesn't work like this, I'm sorry to tell you, but you are stupid. Make sense? This is stupidity. Advanced trader talk, not beginner. Advanced trader talk. Why? If you make a profit on the live account, who is going to pay you? Not the broker, not the investment bank. Who is going to pay you? Exactly, the one who lost. So if you understand this connection, and there is online data telling you that we, the retail trader, are 5%, you know, with our miserable $200-300, and they're telling you, oh, this is a bank level entry. I mean, come on, you know, and you are providing liquidity, and see, this is where the institution grab. This is when the institution grab the retail trader money. Come on. Crazy. I mean, now if you are 22, it's alright because you don't know what you're doing and you are naive. Fair enough? But if you are 30 plus, I would suggest you to use your brain and start to think, you know, and not follow those. Make sense? Now, being honest, it's attractive. It's attractive, man. You know, you go on a website and this is the bank level entry and banks are stopping you. This is an institutional. It's attractive, right, everybody? Fair enough? Who wouldn't fall for this? If I was 22 wanting a Ferrari, I would fall for this. Julius, it's all BS. It's sure, but it's so attractive. On Amazon you can buy books. Learn how to trade like a bank. It's became, if I find this guy, Huddleston, I'm going to, I'm going to punch him in the face. Alright? Just joking, just joking. But unfortunately it's became an industry, you know? Make sense? Boss, why unfortunately? Because it make us problems. There is a student who is crying that it's not working for him, and it's not working for him, and it's not working for him, and he's asking me for help. And when I say to him, alright, no problem, you know, it's a learnable skill, show me your strategy. And when I'm seeing it again, ICT, inner circle trader, smart money concept. Nothing against the strategy. Make sense? But it's difficult to, yes, exactly, it's difficult to change them. You know? Once you believe that the banks and the big institutions, the big players, and there are no big players in the forex market, by the way, the whales, they doesn't exist. You can check online. You know, once you have this belief, and I'm telling you it's all BS, not true, and most of people reject my idea. No, oh no. Make sense, everybody? Boss, why do they reject the idea? Because they are losing the account. What is easier? Let's be honest and adult here. What is easier? I'm a beginner trader, or I'm an intermediate trader, or I'm an advanced trader, and it's not going, I'm not doing good. What is easier? It's easier to be responsible, and I think on myself that, oh, I didn't learn the skill because I'm seeing Jean Paolo making it or Jane making it, or it's easier for me to blame. I'm not making it because the banks are against me, and they're spying in my office, you know. Where is the camera? You know? The broker is against me, and the and I'm providing liquidity. I mean, come on, you know. But you made my day today, MHB. Thank you very much. I didn't have a good laugh. You know, pat yourself on the back, not your fault. Pat yourself on the back, it's not your fault. Right, everybody? Yes, don't fall prey to those guys. I don't have time, you know, but just watch my stream. I'm going to send you the link. Watch the stream until the end, and you are going to understand. It's just numbers. It's just numbers. We are not talking about people. We are not talking about websites, the smart money concept. We are not exposing anything. We are just looking at what smart money concept is telling based on the numbers available. Is this true or not? You know? Crazy stuff. Alright, everybody, moving forward. Talking about the Fibonacci's, right? Talking about the Fibonacci. So the market broke the lower low. Exactly. Thank you very much. Somebody just type, the bank, it's not after me. I put the stop loss in the wrong place. You got now. That's an adult trader comment. Not on YouTube, but I have another streaming platform. Thank you. I'm going to reread. The bank is not after me. I put the stop loss in the wrong place. Wow. That's the way to go. Don't fall prey to those BS bullshits. Alright? And again, I'm not talking about the strategy in itself. Nothing against, I'm not against. You know? If you want to call... Please don't get angry at me, alright? If you want to call a bullish candle an order block, call it. It's alright. If you want to call a retracement a fair value gap, call it. It's alright. Make sense? It's alright. I understand. If you want to call support, resistance, pivot points, liquidity, it's alright. It's alright. It's all new. It's alright. Can you understand, everybody? Do you understand? What are we talking about? But credit to the guy, right? Credit to the guy, he built an industry, you know. He's a marketeer, great marketeer, you know. Smart money concepts. I mean, wow. Crazy. And all right, so this is the euro dollar weekly chart, and this is the original Fibonacci, right? And now here we have the contrarian Fibonacci, but we don't have the Fibonacci of the confirmation. So talking about the daily, right? What do we know? After an extension, a retracement must come, but it made a lower low, so long term, what is going to happen with the A on the daily? What is going to happen with the A of the daily? If this is short term is going to retrace, but long term is going to go down and out. Dismissed, thank you very much. And on the not the daily, on the 4-hour chart, what is going to happen? Boss, what's the difference? It depends. So there is going to be the news event. Everybody just this and then we're going to finish, alright? There is going to be the news event at 3 o'clock my time. If you are going to put the stop loss up in here and trading, shorting the down Fibonacci, or you are going to buy the market trading the original Fibonacci and you are going to put the stop loss down in here, in about 2 weeks something is going to happen. Everybody, the long-term direction is where? Type into the chat up or down, and then we're done for the day. Type in the chat, everybody, up or down, the long-term view, and then we're done for the day. Alright, don't blame yourself, you didn't know. I talked to some teachers, online teachers, they have big audiences, right? Teaching smart money concepts. And at the end of the stream, we talked honestly, said, don't blame yourself. You didn't know about the numbers. Clara down, excellent. Alright? So short term, sure. Whatever is going to happen at 3 p.m. Brazilian time, short term you can buy. But remember that long term this market, 7 times out of 10 probability wise is going to break this Fibonacci. Alright everybody, thank you very much MHB for today. Oh my gosh. See you back tomorrow, right? Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a responsible boss, because you are, and this is the boss.